Hello class 2, welcome back. How are you all? I hope all of you are keeping well and you are doing your studies also, isn't it? I have seen that many of you have sent your work for correction. So very good, and I request the other children also, those who have not sent their work, please do send for correction. Now as you all know that we have completed chapter number 1, revision chapter, right? Now we will move to the next topic, that is chapter number 2, which is numbers up to 1000. So we are going to learn in this chapter numbers up to 1000. How to read the numbers, how to write the numbers, and also how to know the place values of individual digits in a number, okay, and other various other concepts also we are going to learn in this chapter. So let us start the chapter. Like you know, in class 1 you have learned numbers up to 1 to 100, right? Now in this class, first we will try to learn numbers above 100. Now let's take a recap of the previous class. See here, I have written few ones. Okay, now let us see how many ones we have written over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 ones, when they combine together or when they are added up, then they form 10 ones. Okay, what do they form? They form 10 ones. Means how many ones are there here? There are 10 ones. So 10 ones is equal to 1010. Okay, and it is also equals to 110. That means 10 ones is equal to 10. And how many 10 are here? It will be only 110. Fine. Now, if 110 equals to 10, then 210 equals to 20. 3 tens equals to 30. So, we have learned all this thing, no? Now, we will move little further. Now, you can see here 110, I have written 110. Now, 110, so many 110s I have written. Let us see how many 110s we have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 tens we have written. Now 10 tens means how much number? What is the number? 10 tens. Now this is 10, 1, 0, 10. And how many tens are there? 10. So when we see 10 tens means it makes how much? 100. See how it makes 100. 110 plus another 110 becomes 210. That means 20. Then again add one more 10, 30. Then another one more 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And 90 plus one more 10 is equal to 100. So we write number 100 in this way. 100 is equal to 100. Okay. And in numbers we write in this way, and in number name we write like this. So you must learn the spelling of 100 very carefully, okay? And you see here, and in hundreds, how many digits are there? In hundreds, we have 3 digits. So whenever we write numbers till 100 place value, we will always have only 3 digits. Like if I say 213. So how many digits? 213 also having 3 digits, like 2, 1, 3. 3 digits. And if I say 570, still 3 digits. So in hundreds, whichever number we form, they will have only 3 digits. Okay. So now we are going to learn numbers above 100. Okay. Let us see this. So you can see here I have written some numbers. Okay. First of all, let us see after 100 how do we count the number. Now we know the countings. Okay. You have learned the countings 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100 you have learned. Now after 100 how will you count? After 100 also what you will do? You will write 100. Okay. Now after this what will be the number? The number will be 101, that is 101, 102, 103 and so on. You will go till 199. Now after 199, what happens? You see here. Once you reach 199, then what will be the next number? How will you do this? Now in this case, what do? We just, like, either we can add 1 to 199 and get the answer, like 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Again carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. In this way you can write. Okay. Otherwise, what you can do is, you simply, in the ones place, like in ones place and tens place, you put 2 zeros. Alright, put 2 zeros, and in 100 place, it was 100, so you will add 1 more. So it becomes 200. Now similarly, if you reach to 299, suppose this is 299. Okay, it is 299. Then what will be the next number? You can do in this way and get 300, or else in ones place and tens place, just put 2 zeros, and in 100 place you add 1. After 2 what comes? 3. So like this you can count the numbers. Okay, so just now, as I have explained you how to write the numbers above 100. Now the same numbers we can represent also in the form of abacus. Now this abacus is not the abacus what you are learning in the school. Okay, this has got different rules. Like suppose here you can see I have written few numbers. The first number, you see what it is. 1 is in 100 place, so we will read it as 100. 2 is in tens place, 2 tens means 20, and 5 is in ones place. So 100 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 125. Now this 125, how we are going to write in abacus? In abacus, to represent a number, we use rings, or we use like circles. Okay, now we will use circles here. You see here, for 5, we will draw 5 circles in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And every time you will see that like all the circles are like attached to each other, means they are joining to each other. Then in the tens place we have 2, so we will draw 2 circles. And in 100 place we have only 1, so we will draw 1 circle. Okay, see, in abacus we represent the number in this way. So this is 125, and you have to also learn to write the number names. Fine. Now you see the next number, it is 376. That is 3 is in 100 place, 7 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. The same thing when we represent here. So in 100 place we will draw 3 circles. In tens place we will draw 7 circles, and in ones place we will draw 6 circles. Okay, and so we read this number like as 376. 376. Okay, then we have another number, one more number. Now see this number, how we will represent. Okay, this is like this. See, in ones place 8, so we will draw 8 circles. Small circles we will draw. Okay, 8 circles. Then in tens place 0 is there. So how many circles are we going to draw? What do you think? There will be no circles. 0 means nothing, isn't it? Then we will move to the next place value, that is hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is the number? 5. Now 5, that means we will draw 5 circles. So we will draw 5 circles. Okay, in this way you will see in page number 13 and 14 so many examples are given, and you can also learn from them. Now what is your homework? Your homework is, you will like in your book, if you will see, then countings, like from page number 16 and 17, you have to write countings from 101 to 200. Okay, you will write the countings from 101 to 200 in the book, and then 201 to 300. So this you will complete and you will send me your work for correction. So till like in this video only this much. You just go through your chapter, see whichever part if you have not understood, please let me know so that I can explain you again and do this work also. Okay. So till then this much only. Take care and bye bye.